Okay, so you don't want to continue to pay for the Edreams Prime subscription, but you don't know how to unsubscribe from Edreams Prime. So don't worry, because in this video I'm gonna explain it to you properly. The first thing you need to do is go and type Edreams into your browser. Then just click on the first link that appears. This is the official website. Then right here, I have it in Spanish, but you can select it to English. Okay, so once you're here and you're logged in as in your account, then when you click on your account, on these options, there has to be one more right here that says My Prime. Okay, but I don't have it because I don't have Edreams Prime, but you will have it if you have Edreams Prime. Okay, if you bought the subscription. So if you have it, just click on it right here and then just go over, and there will be a big sign saying cancel subscription. So just go over, do the details and cancel the subscription. Like if we want to even close our account, we can just simply click on our name, account details, and then here we'll have the option to I want to delete my account permanently. But this, you need to do this after you delete your Edreams subscription. Okay, this is very important. So once more, you go here, you log in into your account. Okay, then another option will appear here because you have Edreams Prime. I don't, so it doesn't appear. Then click on it and then just say cancel subscription. Okay, it's that easy. Thank you for watching this video.